Hello friends, myself Abhishek Das. This is CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is my first project, Project 0 Search. These are all the basic requirements of this project, number 1 to number 7. Let's jump into the actual project. This is main Google search page. This is Google search button. This is I am feeling lucky button. Let's search something. As you can see, this is the result as per the query text. So this is working properly. Let's check functionality of I am feeling lucky button. As you can see, this is also working properly because this is directly redirect me to the YouTube. Let's see image search page. This is image search page. Let's search something. This is the result of this search as per the query text. So this is also working properly. This is link of main Google search page. Let's back to the Google search page. Now jump into the advanced search page. This is advanced search page as per the requirement. Let's search something. As you can see, this is the search result as per the query text. So let's check all the basic requirements are fulfilling or not. I have 3 pages. First requirement is fulfilling. All the query text, query images and advanced query are properly working. Appearance, as you can see, let's back to the Google main search page. Appearance is also similar to the Google page. Let's see image search page. This is the Google's own image search page and this is my image search page. This is the Google advanced search page and my search page. So I maintain Google own CSS aesthetics as best as possible, and also lucky button is properly working. So thank you.